You got an ice cream place called Creamery. And you got the famous Pigeon River Pottery. Let's go inside. Look at these faces, how beautiful. Everything's made here too, Lovey. So pretty. That's so cool, right? Ta-da! Came out nice.
So it's gonna be like the push-up ice creams. It doesn't really have the creamsicle flavor. Yeah, do you want that one? You'd have to mix it with something vanilla for it to be a creamsicle. And then on the back end, it's gonna taste like Fruity Pebbles cereal. Pralines and cream?
Yes, that one for sure.
Wow, you nailed it. That
the Fruity Pebbles.
That's what it tasted like.
I was like, what are you talking about?
There it is.
They might as well call it Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah,
that's what they should call it.
That's what it tastes like for
That's
sure.
what it tastes like.
Do you want this one?
Sure.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, so this side looks really good.
This one's our second bestseller. It's a salty and sweet caramelized pecan flavor.
Yeah, that one's. I could see how that's your best seller. One of your best sellers. That one's good. Anyone want to try some whiskey?
Whiskey.
Look at how pretty. This is from the 1940s. The old mill. Can you imagine? So can you imagine? Can you imagine ice skating the river behind this restaurant? Look at how pretty. It gets that cold here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're in Pigeon Forge, right? Now we're gonna go inside the Old Mill General Store. This has been here since 1820. Imagine that. I heard they have famous jams, apple butter, to make biscuits, right? You love your biscuits. More Christmas merchandise. Love all the Christmas stuff right here. That's cute to put in our house, right, Lovey? North Pole Post. Okay, like look, this must be pumpkin pecan. You know that must be good butter. What else do they have here?
Fruit spread,
strawberry. So they have the preserves.
It is red raspberry fruit spread.
Yummy, and then the pumpkin. The pumpkin looks good. Bear. I wonder what this is. Bear. Interesting. Black and blue. What does it say? Black and blue frog. Is there a frog in here?
No frog.
No, it's no frog. They got baked potato. They got all types of things. All types of soup mixes. What is this over here? That's another.
Actually, we need dinner for tonight.
Yeah, what do we get? I know I want to get the grits. Broccoli cheddar. Interesting. Those are the ingredients. So they sell self-rising yellow and white cornmeal. 2 pound is $6. 5 pound is $13. So that's a cornmeal. I want some grits.
Where's the grits?
The grits are
There's some grits on the grits.
the white grits. Let's get white grits.
The white grits.
Right here.
So they're a little bit cheaper.
Yeah, so the 2 pound love grits. We haven't had a chance to get grits because Trader Joe stopped selling it. So they got the grits for $5. 5 pound. We can carry this in our suitcase. We're gonna go inside the candy shop. The Old Mill Candy Kitchen. Sticky jars for $8. They're so pretty, the colors, right? And all the chocolates, so many chocolates. They have candy apples, chocolate apples. Milk chocolate bear paws. $24.99 a pound at the Old Mill Candy Shop. They have milk salted, milk sprinkled caramel, dark salted, pecan. Pecan is always good. Pecan caramel. You can't go wrong with that one. Peanut caramel apples, and then they got the caramel apples. And for all you soda lovers, they got cherry wine. Cherry wine, that's cheer wine.
One of these days I gotta get you a cheer wine.
Cheer wine, even though I don't really drink sodas. They got diet root beer, nothing diet. That's That's not good. Look at these. These are pretty cool. Look at this orange one. Ginger. That one looks good. Gamer good. It has to be orange flavor. I like the stickers. Look at the ones on the bottom. It looks like it's a candy soda. You know, that's super sweet. Look at this one. Look at this. That's something that would be in Willy Wonka. We found another cute store. It's called the Old Mill Farmhouse Kitchen. We gotta go inside here. It's too much. I love everything kitchen. Kitchen stuff. So they just sell all types of sausage ball mix, a plain cake mix. So they have everything. Buckwheat pancake mix. And they even sell syrups. Cane syrup, pumpkin spice syrup. You know, that must be good. ETC doesn't do pickles. We don't eat pickles. I don't like pickles. Lovey doesn't like pickles. But I'm not gonna judge. I know most people love pickles. So the Old Mill, exploring the Old Mill. The Old Mill today, carrying on the tradition. So much to see here. Candy, pottery. You got the biggest Christmas wreath. I'm gonna show you the room that we're staying in. The 1-bedroom suite. And we're at the Club Wyndham at Smoky Mountains. It's the Pigeon Forge area. We showed you the other resort we were staying at, Westgate. Now we're going to show you this resort. But look out, this place is so big, isn't it, Lovey?
It's huge.
It's huge. I mean, you walk in and you got your washer and dryer on this side, and then you got a huge kitchen with a nice size island, your refrigerator, your oven, microwave, dishwasher. And what I love about this kitchen is, show them the sink. This is the first time we've stayed at a 1-bedroom that has a sink this big. Love, it's huge. And then you walk in and it's like you got a spacious family room area with your dining room area. And what I love about this too is like you have your table here, and then you have your breakfast area right here. 2 other chairs. You can push these 2 chairs to the dining room, or you can eat breakfast right here with the family. Let's go over here now. Let's show this area right here. You got two entrances to your bathroom. And then you got your 1-bedroom, king-size bed with your fan. We slept so good last night. We had the fan on.
Yeah, tall ceilings too.
Tall ceilings. Love it. It's huge. It's a good size. It's huge. It's 1-bedroom. Huge bathroom. Look, I have room to spin, so there's a lot of room. You got a sink on this side. You got a huge jacuzzi tub. Huge jacuzzi tub. Maybe I'll have time later on after we do snow tubing. And then you even got an extra closet to throw in any more stuff you have. Put your towels. And then you walk in, it's a pocket door. Got the toilet, shower, another sink on this side. All right, now for the best part. Let me take you out in our big back balcony. It's huge, this balcony. I love this balcony size. This is probably one of our biggest balconies we've ever been.
Yeah.
In a 1-bedroom suite. You got 2 sitting areas, and then you got this gorgeous view of the meadows and the mountains. And I got Smoky Mountains, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. 1-bedroom suite, absolutely gorgeous. So now we're going to take ETT Squad. We're going to go to Apple Farm, which I heard it was so cozy and so pretty. We get to try some wines, go into the Christmas store. What else do they have there, Lovey? The Apple Barn, Cider Mill and General Store. This is a huge pumpkin. Look at this pumpkin. It's humongous. Look at this. This pumpkin, Lovey. It's all real pumpkins too. It's a gray one, a silver one. The Apple Barn Winery. Tastings available.
Strawberry, then raspberry, then peach, and the cranberry. That's the raspberry. Go with chocolate or cheesecake.
What is he, crushing some grapes right now? Ice cream and bake shop. Let's go check it out. It's a pumpkin pecan bread, orange cranberry bread, coffee cake, yummy. Where they sell the little mini ones. Mini apple cinnamon bread. So warm. Now chocolate factory. Yeah, that's Mrs. Claus. She's making brownies and chocolate chip cookies. You could buy them here. Look, they sell little those turtles. Those are yummy. And then a box of chocolates. Apple Farm. Dried apples.
This is so cool.
Smells so good.
So cool here.
Apple bread mix. Everything apple. Look, even applesauce. They sell applesauce. Apple Barn coffee cups. Homemade apple butter. Looks like a cake, like a pound. Yep. There's a lot of stuff here, Lovey. Apples. Look, you can grab a bag of apples. You want to bring a bag of apples home?
Yeah.
Look, yummy. Look all the names. Stamen wine. What do you say? Wine sap? Wine sap, gala apples. More fun stuff, right? Third floor. Last stop. More baskets. Oh, they got all baskets up here. Different baskets. A real barn. It's gorgeous. Basket for crackers. So pretty. These are really pretty too. God, we're gonna have to definitely drive over here next time. Love this apple barn. That's the second floor.
We're on the third floor.
No, I know we're on the third floor, but that's the second floor.
Yeah, I can see the first floor.
And I love the baskets, the lights. And I can see the first floor. It's a nice barn, beautiful barn. This would make a nice house for sure. It's a cookie jar. Some biscuits for your horses or for Lovey. Lovey's like a horse, right? You'll eat a lot of cookies. Look, they got the placemats. They got everything with a red barn. What a dream to have your house in a red barn. Can you imagine? Bears and pine cones. I like the red barn. This is my favorite right here. And the plates, that's super cute. Now we're gonna go inside the Christmas store. Look at Frosty. Frosty the snowman. Look, he has his broom too. Frosty, good old Frosty. Go see all the Christmas stuff. Look at that, Christmas smells like, right when you walk in, it smells like apple. Look at that Christmas tree. Love it, we gotta get our Christmas tree like this.
Frosty Christmas tree.
We gotta get a frosty Christmas tree for sure. Cracker box. This is so pretty, Love it. They have a Dairy Queen. They got shops, a gas station, a cabin. I like that little, I wanna live in that cabin. Look at this, how cute. The little Christmas tree with the red cardinals and little benches. We gotta get one of these. We have one.
We have two.
We got two of them, but I want to get something like this too to make it look a house with a garage. I think this one you can keep adding.
Mm-hmm.
Look, a little camper. That's Christmas. Looks like the Christmas vacation. Christmas vacation camper. That's like the one we saw in the RV in Fort Wilderness. Remember? Mm-hmm. They did a good job.
That's Clark.
Where's Clark? Oh yeah, there's Clark. There's his house. I didn't look to the left.
Yeah.
The whole family. That's amazing. I like the RV. The RV's unbelievable. I wonder how much that costs. Does it say the price?
$250.
Oh, that's so worth it. So worth it. We have to look for it.
Christmas vacation.
Christmas vacation.
I feel the breeze, but in my heart,
almost time to board our plane. We're gonna fly to Charlotte and then back to Orlando, Florida. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. That's a huge reindeer. It's Rudolph. Rudolph at Charlotte Airport. We just got to Charlotte, North Carolina. Now we fly back to Orlando, Florida. Back to homey home. Look, we got the whole plane to ourselves. This is a successful flight. Look,
Hopefully.
seat. We got an extra.
Uh-oh.
I can put my legs up.
Don't close
Oh
the
no,
door.
no, wait. There's some
Oh,
people
boy.
coming. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. I think me and Lovey are gonna get. Hopefully we get our whole. Just the whole section. Right, Lovey?
Just dodge from there.
No. Okay. Looks like we're good. We're good. Oh yeah. It's a busy week. Thanksgiving weekend. We're flying back home. We had an awesome time in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This rarely happens. Rarely. I can't believe that.
If you have a carry-on,
She's
place it
even
all the
she's
way
laughing.
under the seat.
Oh, you got a seat too.
Larger carry-on luggage goes in.
Yeah, you got a seat right next to you.
If you have small
Empty, that's
handheld
good.
devices, such as cell phones, tablets,
I
and
know.
smartwatches.
Welcome to Orlando. There's our Christmas tree. We're here. We're home. I can go to this seat. I can stretch out. Can stretch out. Look, I got a lot of room. Look, the lady's laughing. Look, Lovey, look. This is good. This is good, ETT squad. This is good. We had an awesome time, and this is gonna close out the video because I'm gonna use this for our video for the last video in the Tennessee series. Love you guys.